Good morning to everyone. Yesterday, Pakistan early morning attacked in Kabul. The reason is Tehrik-e-Taliban in Kabul region, but violently entered the Afghanistan soil in Pakistan Air Force. Pakistan troubled that all other surrounded countries. No one can friendly countries, all are enemies. Pakistan believes I am the powerful nation in Muslim countries. Actually, Pakistan did not a powerful nation in Muslim countries area. Really powerful nation means Iran only. Iran only the powerful nation in all other 57 countries. Especially for Pakistan, one of the American slavery like nowadays acting. Whatever America told us, yes, yes, yes. That's like slave mindset in a current government. So the direction changing, that's like in people already violated that almost in Pakistan, all other areas spreaded. So he changed the direction. He entered that attack in Afghanistan soil. No one can accept this like attacked in Afghanistan soil, especially for condemning almost Russia, China, India, all other nations, because most of the sources told that America is backward this attack because America always cunning activity. So Afghanistan did not give airbase, so this like attack in Pakistan like Arrow country, he give that money, then do them in Pakistan. That's like a current attack, all are believers. So India and the Indians are fully supported in Afghanistan people. Especially for Indians always supported Afghanistanis. Also Afghanistanis are most likely from India. India always welcome Afghanis people because Afghanis are very braver and truth persons, not a Pakistan like cunning activities. Pakistan really did not Muslims. He has a money looting country in a politician party. So army also to join together, that's like politician parties.